Hello and welcome everyone to Variety Stick. In this video I have the TCL 50LE. In this video I will show you how to perform hard reset through the recovery menu. In other words, we're doing factory reset in case if you have password or a PIN pattern and you got yourself locked. So make sure to subscribe if you haven't, give me thumbs up, and without any further ado, let's find out. And just quick disclaimer before we go any further in the video, doing factory reset or hard reset will lead to lose all the information in your phone. In addition to this, if you have Gmail that's already synced to the phone, you are required to use the same Gmail account and the same password just to avoid the Google bypass activation screen. Now for the steps, first of all, we need to shut the phone completely off by just pressing the volume up and power key together, one click, just like this. And then choose power off and make sure your phone is completely turned off. And after that we're going to use two keys, which is the same keys, but this time around we need to hold the power key and the volume up and keep hold till we see the TCL logo appears on the screen. Once it appears, just release from the power and keep hold in the volume up. We'll go ahead and do this together. So first we need to do volume up, power key, go ahead and press. Once you see TCL logo, release from the power and keep hold on the volume up till the phone take us to recovery menu. There we go. Now here the touch is not going to work, so you have to navigate through the volume down and the volume up and go ahead and select wipe data factory reset. Now to choose you need to press the power key. So go ahead and do this, and then volume down, select factory data reset, and use the power key again to choose factory data reset. The phone is going to start do the formatting. That might take a few seconds, and then the phone will take you back to reboot system now, and this is what we need, and we need to choose through the power key. Go ahead and click on the power key. Now the phone is going to start do the factory reset, and hopefully your phone will be back as the same day you purchased the phone from the factory. And that was very much it for that video. I wish you guys find it helpful. If it did, thumbs up and subscribe for more here on Variety Stick. Thank you so much for watching. As always, we'll talk to you in another video.